Good morning, student. Today we are going to study very important topic in chemical kinetics, that is Arrhenius equation. In the first video lecture, we have discussed factor concentration that affect the rate of reaction. In that, rate of reaction, rate of law, first order, second order, zero order and pseudo order reaction. So, today we are going to discuss effect of temperature on rate of reaction, that is Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius was a Swedish scientist, originally physicist but often referred to as chemist. The Arrhenius equation can be used to determine the effect of change of temperature on the rate constant and consequently on the rate of reaction. So, temperature effect on rate of reaction. In most of the reaction, on increasing temperature, ROR, that is rate of reaction, also increases. Rate constant also increases. First, approximate dependency. Generally, on 10-degree rise in temperature, rate of reaction nearly doubles. Rate is equal to K into concentration raised to the power n. So, temperature coefficient is equal to K T plus 10 degree centigrade upon K T0 Celsius. Accurate dependency, that is Arrhenius equation. K is equal to A into E raised to the power minus EA upon RT is Arrhenius equation, where K is rate constant, A is frequency factor or pre-exponential factor, E is the mathematical quantity, T is temperature in Kelvin, R is gas constant and EA is activation energy. So this Arrhenius equation ये कहाँ से आया है, उसके लिए अपने को देखना है कोलिजन थियोरी. Chemical reactions occur as a result of collision between the reactant molecule, and it may be expected that the rate of reaction is equal to rate of collision. So in collision theory, for effective collision, two barriers are there. First is orientation barrier and second is energy barrier. Orientation of reactant molecule. The requirement for successful collision described above is sufficient for reaction involving simple molecules. Some molecules need to so oriented relative to each other that the reacting group approach closely. A plus C B gives A B plus C. The collision of A with C approaching towards A would not lead to reaction. So no reaction will take place in first example. Second, A react with BC gives AB plus C. The reaction is successful as a result of proper orientation of CB. A fraction of such collision bring fourth conversion of reactant to product. Then energy barrier. A plus C B gives AB plus C A plus BC gives A dot dot B plus dot dot C gives AB plus C. So to attain this configuration, ABC atom need to gain some energy which come from kinetic energy of colliding molecule. So the energy barrier between reactant and product is shown in this graph. The reactant molecule need to climb up and overcome this before they get converted to product. The height of the barrier is called as activation energy, EA. Reactant molecule transfer to product only if they possesses energy equal to or greater than such activation energy. A fraction of molecule those possesses energy greater than EA is given by factor F is equal to e raised to the power minus EA by RT. Now the next is graph of fraction of molecules and kinetic energy. दिख रहा है क्या? लोअर टेम्परेचर, हायर टेम्परेचर. So the collision theory suggested that bimolecular reaction occur only if reacting molecules have sufficient kinetic energy and proper orientation when they collide. So two things are necessary. First, sufficient kinetic energy and proper orientation. So the fraction of molecules with their kinetic energy equal to or greater than EA may lead to product. So with increasing temperature, the fraction of molecules having their energies would increases. So the rate of reaction thus would increases. Next graph is 1 by T versus log K. Arrhenius plot of log K versus 1 upon T giving straight line. The slope of the line is minus EA upon 2.303 R with its intercept being log A. Now ये जो एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी है वो कैसे डिटरमाइन की जाती है वो देखना है आपको. इसके लिए टेम्परेचर्स दो लिए है T1 और T2. सो log 10 K1 is equal to log 10 A minus EA upon 2.303 RT1 and second log 10 K2 is equal to log 10 A minus EA upon 2.303 RT2 where K1 and K2 are rate constant at temperature T1 and T2 respectively. Then subtracting equation 6.21 from equation 6.22 we get equation EA upon 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. The next is the effect of catalyst on the rate of reaction. अब catalyst क्या है ये आप सब लोगों को मालूम है. क्या है catalyst? A catalyst is a substance added to reactant that increases the rate of reaction without itself being consumed in the reaction. वो क्या करता है? रिएक्शन का रेट इंक्रीज करता है. सो कैटलिस्ट कौन से होते हैं? मेटल होते हैं, उसमें अपन ट्रांजिशन मेटल यूज़ करते हैं, देन आयन एंड कंपाउंड. अब टाइप्स देखो, टाइप्स ऑफ कैटलिस्ट. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कैटलिस्ट, पॉजिटिव कैटलिस्ट एंड निगेटिव कैटलिस्ट. ये जो पॉजिटिव कैटलिस्ट होता है वो रेट को, रिएक्शन को इंक्रीज करता है, फास्ट करता है कैसे? चेंजेस द पाथ ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन, जिसमें एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी कम लगती है, वो होते हैं पॉजिटिव कैटलिस्ट। और निगेटिव कैटलिस्ट जो होते हैं वो क्या करता है? रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन स्लो कर देते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो, ट्वाइस KClO3 इन सॉलिड स्टेट प्लस थ्राइस O2 इन गैसियस स्टेट। यहाँ पे कैटलिस्ट कौन सा यूज़ किया है? MnO2। और प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है अपने को ट्वाइस KCl सॉलिड स्टेट। सो ये जो KMnO4 है इसे कैटलिस्ट है। ये क्या करता है? इट इंक्रीजेस द डिकम्पोजिशन रेट एंड प्रोवाइड ऑल्टरनेटिव पाथवे associated with lower activation energy। दूसरा जो एग्जाम्पल है वो कौन सा है? ट्वाइस H2O2 लिक्विड स्टेट gives ट्वाइस H2O लिक्विड प्लस O2 गैसियस स्टेट। सो ये जो है at room temperature the rate of reaction is slower in the absence of catalyst with its activation energy is 76 kilojoule per mole. But in presence of iodide ion as a catalyst, the reaction is faster since the activation energy decreases to 57 kilojoule per mole. now एक ग्राफ दिया है, ग्राफ है फ्रैक्शन ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल एंड एनर्जी। The barrier for uncatalyzed reaction E is larger than that of same reaction in presence of catalyst EA1. Catalyst क्या करता है? It lowers the threshold energy, so more molecules acquire minimum amount of energy tend to cross this barrier, and fraction of activated molecule is greater for the catalyzed reaction. So the rate of catalyzed reaction is larger than the reaction with no catalyst. अब ये ग्राफ देखो, काइनेटिक एनर्जी वर्सेस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ पार्टिकल विद दैट काइनेटिक एनर्जी। इसमें क्या दिया है? एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी विथ अ कैटलिस्ट एंड एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी। So catalyst lowers the threshold energy, consequently more molecule acquire minimum amount of energy tend to cross the energy barrier, and a fraction of activated molecule is greater for the catalyzed reaction, and the rate of catalyzed reaction thus is larger than that of reaction with no catalyst. So in today's video lecture, discuss about Arrhenius equation, collision theory. In collision theory, orientation barrier and energy barrier, determination of activation energy, then graphical description of effect of temperature and effect of catalyst on the rate of reaction. Thank you.